What's up guys, welcome back to the course. In this video, we're going to learn how to create effective ChatGPT prompts. So there are 6 aspects that you need to pay very close attention to. So the first one here, you need to be very clear and specific. So you need to create your prompts that provide clear instructions or ask specific questions to guide the model's response. Clearly define the desired outcome or the information that you are seeking to obtain to elicit more accurate and targeted responses. Alright? Always remember, when you're communicating with ChatGPT, it is very crucial to make sure that ChatGPT understands what you want and what you need. Alright, so let's move on to the second one here. Set content and constraints. Provide relevant context or constraints in your prompts to guide the model's understanding. Specify any limitations, requirements, or boundaries to ensure the model generate responses within the desired scope or framework. So actually, it really depends on what type of output that you want to be generated by ChatGPT. If you want ChatGPT to be as creative as possible, you want ChatGPT to be as imaginative as possible, then you shouldn't have too many constraints. But if you want the output to be very specific, then make sure you add relevant context and constraints to your prompt, right? So yeah, that's the second one. Let's move on to the next one here. Use examples or demonstrate expected format. Consider providing examples or demonstrating the expected format for the desired responses. This can help the model understand the structure and style you are seeking, improving the chance of generating responses that meet your expectations. So actually, it really depends on what you're doing with ChatGPT. So if you're just asking, very basic questions, then most likely you won't need this. But if you're asking ChatGPT to generate you a pretty complex template or maybe a pretty complex script for your ad copy, and you want the output to be exactly match your expectations, then obviously you will need to provide some examples to let ChatGPT know, hey, actually this is my expected output, can you make it like this? Alright, so that's number 3. Let's move on to the next one here. Experiment with different phrasing. So try to experiment with different phrasing or variations of prompts to explore how they influence the model responses. Small changes in wording can often lead to significantly different outputs, so iterate and refine your prompts to achieve the desired outcome. So I totally get it. This is like the most annoying part. You're going to do a lot of trials and errors, but honestly, if you're serious about learning prompt engineering, that's what it takes to be expert at prompt engineering, guys. You need to be willing to spend some time doing trials and error to see, okay, we're getting closer to our goal, so it seems that we need to add this, right? And the only way you can get better is by practicing more and more every day. Alright, so that's number 4. Let's move on to the next one here. Number 5, be mindful of length. So sometimes you're utilizing ChatGPT to generate you a pretty complex output. And I totally get it, guys. Sometimes you have a paragraph long prompt or maybe 5-6 sentences long prompts, and it's totally fine, right? I'm not saying anything wrong with that, but it's going to be way better if you are willing to break down that complex prompt into like smaller pieces, into like more simple pieces, so ChatGPT is going to be able to understand better like what you actually want, right? And yeah, that's number 5. Let's move on to the next one here. Emphasize your instructions and intentions, right? So sometimes when people are writing their prompts, they don't really specify what they want. They don't really specify the instructions. Hey, ChatGPT, I want you to do this. I want you to do that, right? So sometimes they don't really specify that part. And it's going to leave ambiguity and makes ChatGPT wonder, hey, actually, what you want me to do, right? So it's better for you to clearly emphasize your instruction or intentions in your prompt, right? Make it very clear so ChatGPT is going to be able to understand what you actually want or maybe what output that you're seeking to get. So yeah, that's all. All right. I'll see you guys in the next video. What's up, guys? Welcome back to the course. In this video, we're going to talk about basic ChatGPT prompt structure. Alright, so it's actually going to be a pretty short video. I just want to make sure you understand the basic ChatGPT prompt structure. Alright, so as you guys can see, I have a pretty cool screenshot here that I got from ChatGPT. So, who is better source to ask these questions than ChatGPT themselves, right? So yeah, I was asking this question. I was asking ChatGPT to generate me ChatGPT prompt structure, right? So who's the better source to answer this question? So yeah, give me basic ChatGPT prompt structure. As you guys can see, there are like three components. The first one is user message or input, right? So that's the input. For example, I want ChatGPT to generate me ad copy for my products. So my input will be, hey, ChatGPT, generate me ad copy for my dropshipping product, right? Just for example. And the second one here is system message or instructions. So depending on your prompt, sometimes you want to specify your instructions, right? In my case, generate me ad copy, right? So that's definitely instruction to instruct ChatGPT to generate me that ad copy, right? So yeah, it's following the user message. You can include a system message or instructions to guide the model's behavior. And the next one here, model response, which is the output, right? So the model response is generated output from ChatGPT based on the user message and any preceding system messages. It represents the model's reply or response to the user inputs and continue the conversations. So as you guys can see, ChatGPT also provides me with a pretty cool example here. Here is an example to illustrate the basic structure. So the user, so this is the input. How does gravity work, right? So that's the questions. And in this example, the user initiates the conversations with questions about gravity, right? Cool. And this is the system. Gravity is a fundamental force that attracts objects with mass towards each other. It plays a crucial role that is shaping the motions. Alright, so that's the message. And the system message, which is the output, is this one. Gravity is explained with by the theory of general relativity, stuff like that. Alright, so hopefully that's cleared that up. So hey guys, that's basic ChatGPT prompt structure. It is very important for you to understand this. Alright, I think that's it. That's all you need to know. That's what I told you. Pretty short video. Just making sure you understand the basic structure. Alright, so I'll see you guys in the next video. We're going to start learning how to use ChatGPT prompt generator to automate prompt creations. Alright, so I'll see you guys there. What's up guys, welcome back to the course. In this video, we're going to learn how to utilize some of these ChatGPT prompt generator tools, right? So we're going to learn how to automate ChatGPT prompt creations. So in this case, we're not going to write the ChatGPT prompt manually. Instead, we're going to utilize this prompt generator, right? So let's go to the first one here, FusionAI.role. So just click on it. It will take you here. As you guys can see, I'm now on Fusion AI. So yeah, just type what you want. So let's say I want to generate marketing campaign for my product, right? So I'm just gonna type in the basic prompt, and then once I click generate, Vision AI is going to generate me like more complex prompt. All right, so marketing campaign for my products, or maybe just marketing campaign, right? I'm just gonna make it as basic as possible and then click on generate prompt, or maybe I'm gonna change this to add copy. All right, I'm just gonna click on generate, and now Vision AI is going to generate me the prompt, right? 500 word add copy essay explaining the benefit of product, including the features, focus on advantages, and provide examples. All right, so I'm gonna copy and paste this to ChatGPT. All right, but before before generating this prompt, I'm gonna make some changes. I think 500 words is too long, so I'm just gonna replace this with, I guess, 250, or maybe just 200. All right, and I want to be a little bit more specific. I want the product to be related to sneaker. Alright, so write a 200-word ad copy essay explaining the benefits of sneakers product, including the features, focus on the advantages, and provide examples. Right, so we'll see what ChatGPT is capable of. Alright, so as you guys can see, introducing to the Ultimate Sneaker Pro, revolutions footwear that will change the way you walk, run, and conquer the world. Engineered with precision spec by, wow, okay, cool, very cool ad copy. I like it. I might not use like the whole thing here. I might just use like the first 3 paragraphs or first 4 paragraphs. I think is too long, but yeah, that's amazing. All right, so why don't we try one more thing here. Let's go back to our Vision AI, and I'm gonna change this. This time I want Vision AI to generate me prompt for my content, right? So fictional history story. All right, so I'm just gonna click generate, and we'll see what we're going to get here. Write a 500-word fictional history story exploring the culture and beliefs of a specific ancient civilizations, including their impact on the world. Focus on the development of the civilizations and provide vivid descriptions. Wow, that's pretty cool. Alright, so I'm just gonna copy and paste that prompt. Alright, I'm gonna put it here, and obviously 500 words is too long. I'm just gonna replace that with 150 words. All right, and that's it. Just gonna hit enter and see what ChatGPT is capable of. We'll see. All right, in the heart of dense jungle nestled between towering mountains, the ancient civilizations of Cypria thrive, known for their advanced knowledge of agriculture, astronomy, and architecture. All right, pretty creative, pretty cool fictional story here generated by ChatGPT. I like it so much. Yeah, so I think you should utilize Vision AI, guys. Pretty powerful tool that you can utilize to generate more complex prompt from basic prompt like this, right? So yeah, that's just one of many prompt generators that you can utilize. Alright, so I think that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in the next video. We're going to learn other ChatGPT prompt generators that we can utilize to help us, generating better output. Alright, so I'll see you guys there. What's up, guys? Welcome back to the course. In this video, we're going to learn how to utilize the second tool, which is FlowGPT. If you don't know how to get here, just go back to the slides and then click on this link, flowgpt.com, and it will take you here. All right, so as you guys can see, we are on FlowGPT. So welcome to FlowGPT. This is a pretty cool website. It's pretty cool technology that you can utilize to help you generating high quality prompt. And the way it works might be a little bit different compared to the previous tools that we learned, which was Vision AI. So in Vision AI, all you need to do is to type in the basic prompt and click generate prompt, and then Vision AI is going to generate you like more complex prompt, right? But in FlowGPT is a little bit different, guys. All you need to do is just to type in the topics of your prompt. For example, you want to do marketing, just type in marketing like this, and then click search. And they have like many different models. They have many different options that you can select. So depending on your need, depending on what you want, they have, let's say, social media marketing, campaign search. They have great Facebook marketing. I think this is for Facebook ads. If you're planning to create Facebook ads, then click on this. Content marketing booster, cold email GPT, marketing IDs, right? Product marketing proposals, marketing slogan generator. So yeah, you can select some of these models. So let's say I want to select this marketing ideas because I want to get marketing ideas for my business. Just click on it. As you guys can see here, this is actually the prompt, and you can feel free to customize these based on your need. You can change the company's or product's name to your own company's name, and you can also change the product descriptions. All right, so feel free to customize this part, and this is the prompt. And then to run it, just click send. All right, and cool. As you guys can see, FlowGPT has been fully integrated with ChatGPT, so you don't need to copy and paste the prompt here and then run the prompt on ChatGPT. Instead, just click send, and then it will run the prompt for you here on FlowGPT, right? So you don't need to copy and paste the prompt. All right, cool. So now the output has been generated. As you guys can see, they have like 7 different IDs for the marketing. I'm just gonna scroll up really quick. I don't know why it is so hard to scroll that up. All right, so the first one is content marketing through blogs and social media. The second one is webinars and virtual products demos. The third one is partnership with green energy advocates. All right, so yeah, as you guys can see, this prompt is able to generate you this 7 marketing ideas. So yeah, pretty cool, right? So let's try another example. Let's say you want to use this marketing slogan prompt, right? So as you guys can see, this is the prompt. Generate a series of marketing slogans that convey the unique selling points of your products or service. And again, kind of the same thing. You can feel free to customize this, right? You can replace this with your product's name, your service name, and also change the detail, and then click send. And guess what? ChatGPT is going to generate you the output here, right? Number 1, refreshment with benefit. Get more than just a hydration. So all these slogans have been generated. All right, so if you want to scroll that up, this was the prompt that was used to generate this output, right? So yeah, that's how you do it, guys. If you're not really satisfied with the output that you got, you might want to regenerate it. Just click on regenerate. All right, so yeah, let's try different topics. So we've already tried marketing. Why don't we try another topic? For example, you want to do content creation. I'm just gonna type in content here, right? Content search. Alright, so I'm thinking like which one is the best one to try here, right? Or maybe I'm just gonna type in like content creations here or content ideas. Alright, so I'm just gonna click content ideas. Alright, cool. So we got this one, content ideas and optimization. As you guys can see, they have like a pretty long prompt here. Pretty long prompt. You will receive a range of innovative TikTok video ideas, best practices for content creations, and data-driven strategies for optimizing your TikTok. Okay, so this prompt is specifically for TikTok. All right, so if you own your TikTok account and you might be stuck, like you're thinking what ideas for your next content, then you should use this prompt, right? Then click send. So as you guys can see now, it is running the prompt, and ChatGPT is going to generate you multiple different output, multiple different ideas for your content for your TikTok. Alright, so educational content, trendy challenge video, behind the scenes, humorous skits, dance videos, keep it short and sweet. Okay, so they also share you like several different tips and tricks. Alright, pretty cool. Just popular music, time your posts, use analytics, collaborate with other creators. Alright, pretty cool. This is definitely a very comprehensive output where you get not only that you get the ideas for your content, but you also get a few tips and tricks on how to maximize your audience engagements on your TikTok. So pretty cool, right? All right, so we've tried content creations, we have tried marketing. Why don't we try one more thing? Then we'll be done with this tool. So now let's try business, right? So I'm just gonna type in like business ideas, and we'll see if there are prompts about business that we should try. So I'm just gonna click search. All right, so you have AI agencies, startup consultant, you have what else? Disrupt AI under uncovering industries. I don't think we have many options for this. I'm just gonna change to another topic. So why don't we try software development, right? So if you're a software engineer, you might want to utilize some of these prompts. So let's go to, maybe I'm thinking about this one, Chrome extension. Alright, so as you guys can see, this is the prompt. Takes an idea for a Chrome extensions and brings it to life. Features expands on the user's idea, adding any necessary features, automatically code the extensions, debug code, update code, and file structure. Alright, so guess what? This time we're going to be utilizing ChatGPT to generate us code for Chrome extension. So this is the prompt, and all we need to do is to click send, and now ChatGPT is going to run the prompt, and ChatGPT is going to generate us the output. All right, so I'm curious what's the output going to be like. Pretty sure it's going to be like a code or anything related to our Chrome extensions. But again, due to complexity of this request, it might take a while. All right, that's the reason why it takes a little bit longer to load. So yeah, guys, just be patient. Based on my personal experience, every single time you use ChatGPT to generate your code, it will take a little bit longer than usual, right? Alright, cool. So Chrome extension AI, hello. Before we start, please remember to vote for this submission for the S2 FlowGPT contest. Now please provide me with your Chrome extension ideas. Alright, so now we need to provide them the ideas. So I'm thinking about like screenshot Chrome extension. So you're able to do like screenshot, but for the whole pages, right? So I'm just gonna type that in Chrome extensions for screenshotting the whole pages, the whole page. Alright, so I'm just gonna hit enter. Alright, cool. So now it is loading. Alright, so we'll see. Chrome extensions AI, great idea. Let's expand on that. Do you have any specific features in mind that you would like to be included in the extensions? No. Just go with your suggestion. Alright, so that's going to be my reply. Alright. Okay, cool. So now the ChatGPT is generating us more details about the features. Chrome extensions AI. Alright, here's a list of features that could be included in the extensions. Options to capture the entire web page, options to save the screenshot, options to annotate the screenshots with text, lines, arrows, and shapes, options to share the screenshot via emails, social media, or cloud storage, options to schedule periodic screenshots of a web page. What do you think of these features? Is there anything you'd like to add or remove? Well, I think I'm pretty satisfied with those, so I'm just gonna reply like this. Sounds good. Alright. So now ChatGPT is going to generate us more detailed descriptions about our Chrome extension. So yeah guys, that's how you guys use it. Alright, I think that's it. There are like many different topics that you can choose. If you go to collections, just click on collections here. As you guys can see, there are like many different options that you guys can choose. Social media, LinkedIn, what else? JPEG. I'm not really familiar with this, to be honest with you. But there are like many different topics that you can choose. Academics, engineering, marketing, startup, right? Many different topics. Alright, so I think that's it guys. I'll see you in the next video. We're going to learn how to utilize another tool, another prompt generator. So I'll see you guys there. What's up guys? Welcome back to the course. In this video, we're going to learn how to utilize another prompt generator tool, which is Cookup.ai. So if you don't know how to get here, just go back to the slides and then click on Cookup.ai and then it will take you here. Alright, so as you guys can see, we are now on Cookup.ai. So welcome to Cookup.ai. This tool is extremely similar to the previous tool that we learned, which was FlowGPT.com, where you have many different options to select. So for example, you want to run ads, just click on ads and then click on this arrow, just click on it. As you guys can see, you have many different options. You have free Instagram ads, copy generator, you have free Google ads, headline generator, free TikTok ads, keyword generator, free TikTok ads, headline generator. So yeah, you have many different options to choose So let's say I want to run ads on TikTok, right? And I want to, get headlines for my TikTok ads. So just gonna click on try now. As you guys can see here, I will need to enter my product name. So let's say I'm selling pillow. So I'm just gonna enter pillow, or maybe I need to be a little bit more specific. So I'm just gonna name it as soft pillow like this. Alright, so this is going to be my product name. And as you guys can see, this is actually the prompt that will be used to create eye-catching headlines for TikTok ads. And the last thing that I need to do here is just to click this button, generate results. Alright, so now I'm generating the result. Alright, so just wait and see what we're going to get. Okay, cool. So I have like 5 different headlines. Snooze in style with snuggle clothes. Dream night starts with softy pillow. The corny face slept with fluff cloth. Alright, so pretty cool. So these are the outputs that you got. Let's say we want to try another thing. So let's go back to the apps. Alright. Or just go back to home. And let's say we want to try something else, right? We already tried the prompt for ads, for running ads. You have like many different options here, guys. So just explore. Let's say this time we want to try predictions. I'm thinking about like market, or maybe cryptocurrency market or stock market. I don't know yet. So just click predictions and click on predictions. Click on the arrow. Oh, actually, it has nothing to do with market predictions. So you have like New Year resolutions. Generator, write next text using AI. Generate rap song for Twitter profile. To be honest with you, I don't think this is very interesting to try, so let's try something else. Let's say we go with blogging, right? So I'm interested in blogging, so click on blogging. You have several different options here: free blog post topic ideas generator, free blog title generator. So why don't we try the first one, free blog post topic ideas generator, right? Alright, so we need to describe the topic. So let's say you want it to be fictional history, right? Fictional history. Something like this. And just click on generate, alright? And before clicking on generate result, you might want to see these frequently asked questions. Alright, and just click generate and see what we're going to get here. Histofictive, ficto history. Okay, pretty cool. Narrativized past, imaginary timelines, fantastical chronicles. Yeah, so that's how you use this tool, guys. That's how you utilize Cookup.ai. Let's say we want to try one more thing before ending this video. So just click on email and just click on this arrow. Alright, so as you guys can see, you have like many different prompts for email. Let's say we want to create fundraising email. So just click on this. And this is actually the prompt that will be used. Create effective fundraising emails quickly and easily, right? So we also need to describe the email tone. Maybe the fundraising is going to be for our charity project. So I'm just gonna type in charity project. I'm gonna click generate results, and now ChatGPT is going to generate us the fundraising email template, I guess. So we'll see what we're going to get here, right? I don't know what to expect here, right? So I think this is pretty short prompt, right? All right, so it is still generating. I don't know why it takes so long. Usually it doesn't take this long. All right, cool. Now, as you guys can see, we have this email template, so you can feel free to customize this email there on a donor's name. So just replace this with your actual donor's name, and you might want to add some minor modifications to this email body, and also change this with your own name, and change this with your own organizations or maybe company, whatever. Yeah, so that's how you utilize this tool, guys. I think that's it. That's all you need to know. I'll see you guys in the next video. We're going to learn another tool, another prompt generator. All right, I'll see you guys there. What's up, guys? Welcome back to the course. In this video, we're going to learn another prompt generator called Hull Analysis. So if you don't know how to get there, just click on this link, hullanalysis.com/ChatGPT Prompts Generator, and it will take you here. So welcome to Hull Analysis. So this tool might be a little bit different compared to the previous one. So this tool concentrates mainly on three things here: write something, code something, and learn something. So let's say you want to write articles, you can select this. You or a software engineer, you want to code a project, click on code something. Or maybe you are a student, you want to learn, just click learn something. All right, so let's try this out. So let's say we want to write an article, right? Or maybe you want to write a marketing copy or product descriptions, or maybe email, right? I don't know which one to choose. Maybe we're going to try product descriptions, right? So it's just like this. And the main topic, we want ChatGPT to describe our product, and our product is maybe sneakers, right? So I'm just gonna type in athletic wear, athletic sneakers, or maybe not, maybe casual sneakers, like this, all right? And subtopics, I'm just gonna type like very basic thing here, sneaker that is very comfortable to use, right? That's it. And for these sections, use those writing styles: narrative, descriptive, persuasive, expository, creative. I want it to be descriptive, right? Because the product description should be descriptive, describing about the product. Write in this tone: formal, informal, optimistic, worried, friendly, curious, assertive, encouraging, surprised, and corporative. Actually, I want it to be a little bit informal, because the product is casual sneaker, so I want it to be casual. Include this keyword, so maybe I want to include comfortable sneakers. That's it. Exclude this keyword, so this is like negative prompt. If you want things to be excluded from your prompt, then add it here, but I don't think so. I'm not gonna add anything to this sections. Reading grade level. Actually, you can choose at reading grade level. Like the higher you go, the more complex vocabularies will be used. So I want my product descriptions to be able to be understood by a lot of people. So I'm just gonna go with grade 6, right? So they're not going to use very complex vocabularies or very complex idiom required word count. So I don't want it to be very long. So I'm just gonna stick with, let's say, 150 words. That's it. Or maybe not. Maybe I'm just gonna stick with 100 words. Right? I don't want it to be very long. Alright, cool. So if you scroll back up, as you guys can see, this is our prompt. Right? You can copy this and then you can paste this on ChatGPT and you can run it. Alright, cool. So introducing our awesome casual sneaker, the epitome of cozy comfort for your feet. These kicks are must-have for all sneakers lovers out there. Slip your feet into pure bliss as you enjoy the cushion heaven provided by these ultra comfy shoes. Right, pretty cool, right? So yeah, that's how you utilize hull analysis. Let's say you want to try something else. So click on some code something, and this time we're going to choose Python, I guess, or maybe C++. I don't know yet. I'm gonna go with Python. What should the code do? Right, so we're going to give the instructions. What is the code going to do? Right. So actually, I just want to create a basic mathematics game. Alright, basic mathematics game. That's it. Include comments. So if you want your code to have additional documentations explaining what each line of code does, then you might want to check this. But I don't think I'm going to check this. I'm just gonna uncheck this. Alright, so that's it. As you guys can see, this is the prompt that we're going to use. Write some codes that uses Python to do the following tasks. Basic mathematics games include code comments that explain the code. Alright. So I'm just gonna copy this and I'm gonna paste it here. Alright, cool. So now ChatGPT is going to generate us the code. Look at this, amazing, right? Import random. Def generate equation, so that's the first functions. Yeah, pretty basic subtractions, additions, multiplications, and division game, I guess. Very simple mathematics game. Oh, actually, they also add like some documentations explaining what its functions does. So yeah, that's pretty cool, guys. That's how you utilize hull analysis to create a prompt for you. So I think that's it. That's all you need to know. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye. What's up, guys? Welcome back to the course. In this video, we're going to learn how to utilize another prompt generator tool called Prompt Vibes. If you don't know how to get here, just go back to the slides and then click on this link, and it will take you here to Prompt Vibes. And you can enter your email and then click subscribe if you want to get like the latest news from this platform. And as you guys can see, there are like many different topics. There are many different categories that you can choose. You have ChatGPT jailbreaks, coding prompts, design, play game productivity, role play, writing prompts, marketing prompts. What else? New prompt. You have funny prompts. So let's say we're a business owner, right? And 30% or 40% of our energy will be allocated to marketing, right? So let's try marketing prompts. Okay, cool. So as you guys can see, there are many different options that we can choose. We have product market fit, we have multi-dimensional social media content generator prompt, customer research, ultimate ChatGPT marketer. What else? For people who write emails, advertisers, YouTube content scripters, social media copywriting. What else? You have like many different options here. Influencer, Facebook ads manager. Alright, so let's say we want to run our Facebook ads. Why don't we try this one though? Just click on it influencer Facebook ads manager. And as you guys can see, this is the prompt. I need a Facebook ad copy that will engage my ideal customer persona with specific type of content from influencer type who can authentically share the benefits of my product, service, and encourage them to make a purchase. Right? So yeah, you actually can customize this prompt. I'm sorry, I'm just gonna close that. So we're just going to copy and paste this to ChatGPT, and we're going to customize this based on our case. All right. So I need the Facebook ad copy that will engage my ideal customer persona. So this will be your main targeted customer. So I'm just gonna type in teens, teenagers, right, with specific type of content. Maybe prank, because I think younger generations like watching prank videos from influencer type. Maybe you know YouTuber who specialize in pranking people. So prank specialists, I think that will be great, who can authentically share the benefits of my product or service. In this case, my product is going to be what? I'm thinking about t-shirt, right? So I'm just gonna type in t-shirt and encourage them to make a purchase. So I'm just gonna hit run and see what ChatGPT is going to generate us. Unless your prankster sites with our epic t-shirt. I know prank and t-shirt is not very related, but this is just for an example, right? I'm just showing you how to customize this prompt for your own product, for your own need. Hey teens, are you ready to take your pranks to a whole new level? Introducing our jaw-droppingly awesome prank specialist t-shirt. Designed by prankster for pranksters, our t-shirt is not just any ordinary piece of clothing. It is a secret weapon that will level up your pranking game. Alright, so that's pretty cool ad copy for your Facebook ads campaign. I think I'm pretty satisfied with this. Definitely a pretty cool emojis here. You have cool t-shirt emojis. What else? This loving face, I guess. Yeah, you have a pretty cool ad copy here, right? So yeah, I think that's it. That's all you need to know about prompt vibes. Obviously, you should spend some time here exploring many different categories on prompt vibes. Right, so I'm just showing you how to utilize this to generate your prompt for Facebook ads specifically, but again, there are many different options that you should explore. Alright, so I think that's it. I'll see you guys in the next video.